This video will help you determine if Super Duolingo is worth your money. Super Duolingo is the premium version of the titular language app. Its worth is dependent on your preferences and goals. Despite being premium, it has a free version that has some features to work with, such as practice and lessons. Its paid variants eliminate ads and allow for offline studying to make your studies flexible. The premium variant also grants limitless hearts, so you don't have to wait to begin your lessons after making a mistake. Super Duolingo offers features for committed students to maximize and practice uninterrupted, whereas for casual users, the free version is sufficient, but some may find additional costs not worth it. All these perks can be made yours with only $7 US. Do you think it's worth your while?